Hey, I don't know who want to hear this. You are tired of having not small bum, and you are tired to have a no booby, and you want to have a natural booby, big one, and big buttocks. Tu es fatigué d'avoir les petits bottons, mais tu veux avoir le gros bottom. Et tu n'as pas d'argent pour faire ça, mais tu veux avoir ça naturellement, sans effet indésirable. Tu veux avoir les grosses bottons. Alright? J'ai un remède pour toi qui est naturel, qui va te rendre les fesses, like, boom. You want to have a big booby, big buttocks, but you know you don't want to do this, and you don't have money to do this, but you want this. I have something for you, which is this. We have this Botcho mango B12, which is natural without side effect. We have this Botcho 10. It's like it's going to make your bum bigger, and we have this big boob for the big booby, and you have this the bazooka for men. If you are interested to try our product, check the link below, and the number will be here. If you're interested, comment down below, and the number is here for you for Botcho B12 cream is back in the market for you guys. Been waiting for a long time, and we have a small size as well for people who want to try. All right, thank you. I hope to see you guys in the comment. I hope to see you guys, and if you want to purchase, go on our ST. The link will be down below.